Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Creative Blessing. So, guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to upload your shots correctly. A lot of us have been asking, how do we upload this viral short sound correctly? So, this video basically, I'm going to show you all how to upload your shot correctly. If you're still struggling to get subscribers, you are in the right place because in this channel, you're going to hit your 1000 subscribers real quick. And if you know you want to get views on your channel, you want to get engagement, do well to subscribe to this channel, do well to like, because on this channel we share creativity and we grow together. On this space we'll learn together. So guys, if you're yet to get your 1000 subscribers, this video is for you. So I'm going to show you how to upload this short video correctly using your smartphone. Okay, you don't need to get any other device, just with your smartphone, and that is the only way you can actually upload shots. So right now I'm going to show you how to upload this shot correctly and how to upload the sound correctly. A lot of you have been asking, so guys, I'm going to take you straight into the video. Before then, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and tell me what you think about this video. Let's go straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go over to our YouTube app. Okay, so I'm going to be using a different account to show you guys. Okay, so now if you're already a subscriber on my channel, so just go to my channel page, that is Creative Blessing. Now we're going to go to my short videos. So this is for some of us who cannot locate the sound, right? So now you see this short right here, you click on my shorts. So a number of my shorts are going to show. So I do a lot of different shorts. So now locate the specific one you see me doing a challenge. So let's go down. Okay, let me get the specific one. Very easy to get. Boom, here it is. So you click on that. So right now you can see the challenge. I'm already doing the challenge. Okay, so now I want you to look below. You see this rectangle box right above your profile. So if you're using your smartphone, this is how it's going to be once you click. So just make sure you click on that rectangle box. So click on it. It's going to take you straight to this challenge. Now you can see different persons who have engaged in this challenge. So now you see here it says explore more sounds. Are you seeing it, guys? This is another way to do it. I'm just showing you guys how different persons have engaged in this challenge. So just look at this, a lot of persons. Now you can see me right here on top. Okay, are you seeing that? So these are the ones I have done. So very simple. You see here it says use this sound. Hope you're paying attention. Use this sound. Now click on it. Straight, it has brought me here. So what I'm going to do now is to press this record button like this.
Put a finger down, are you pretty addition? If you put more than 5 fingers down, be happy you are really pretty.
Already.
But I promise you that only the
Guys.
prettiest will put a finger down on the last one. Put a finger down if you often get compliments on your smile. Put a finger down if you've ever been...
So before doing this, you can actually rehearse. Okay, let's go back. I'm not trying to create another one. I'm just trying to show you guys with an example. Okay, so you can study different people's reactions and see how they did theirs. And guys, just click on the sound. You're good to go. So you can explore other persons, explore as much as you can until you get the one you know you can fit into, the one you can do very well. Okay, So that is this for this particular challenge. So here you see how pretty are you 1 to 10. So that's just the name right there on top. That's the name. So you can just use that name directly. All right. So that is it. So guys, let's try another one, okay? So in case you didn't grab that first one very well, so let's look for another one. They are specific, okay? Okay, look at this. So you click and it takes you right here. So once you get here, you see your profile right down, right below your right hand side. Click on the rectangle box right above your profile. So click on it. Good. Now, this is the topic at the top. Things we all do edition. Put a finger down. Great. So these are different people who have done this same challenge. So some of you who are still thinking, okay, people are not doing this thing, guys. People are doing it. Here it says explore more sounds. So like I said, the more you do these things, the better you get at it. Okay? Now, let's come up. This is my own version because you clicked through my page. So now we're going to use the sound. You see here, this red button here. You click on it. You just so guys, you click on the use this sound. So you click on it. I'm not trying to record, okay? So I'm just showing you guys. So once you just click on this, you just click on this.
Put a finger down. Things we all do edition. If all your fingers aren't down, you're lying edition. But I promise everyone will put a finger down on the last one.
You started recording. So it's very simple, guys. That's for this one.
Put a finger down. Things we all.
So guys, this one now, I'm going to show you how to do it directly. Like, so guys, this one, I'm going to show you how to do it directly. So you just click on this plus sign, just like you want to create a shot. So now, come over, just click on this add sound at the top right here. You can see that. Click on it. Okay. It has brought us here. So guys, look carefully. It has recommended some sounds right here. So if you come here, this first one says Unstoppable, which has 5.5 million shots, meaning the number of persons who have used this is about 5.5 million. Now the next one, you see 4 million shots. So try and play each one of them and see any of them you like. This one says favor. You can use them to create a short video. Now the things we all do edition, beautiful. Look at it right here. So this one again, still waters. Create shorts with all these sounds, you will get subscribers. Okay, some of us who don't want to do the challenge and all of that, so just you see different genres: hip-hop, R&B, soul, pop, Indian alternative. Now here say top sounds. You see the top ones that are trending. That's a lot of people have used these ones. Anxiety by Doechii. Here 1.7 million shots. That's to say 1.7 million persons have used this particular shirt. Now the next one is Your Way is Better. You see 496,000 shots. So the higher the number of people who have used this, the better it is. So try and play each of them and see which of them you resonate better with. So these things are very simple, very easy to do, guys. Okay, it's not a difficult thing. Really helpful. If you see this video as something that has added value to you, do well to subscribe and do well to share. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.